We have not only provided service for our patients for the last 110 years, you've actually shaped the surgical discipline and you built the foundation for the healthcare in Hong Kong.
I'd like to wish the department the other 110 glorious years ahead and congratulations.
I am very, very confident that we will be able to ride all these challenges, that we will stand together, we will actually, build and continue to support the development and growth of medicine and health in Hong Kong and beyond.
We will do our very best to advance surgical care for our patients. We want to have scientific discoveries as well as educating the next generations of surgeons.